The number you have dialed has been changed.
So well, here we are, desk makeover videos. So the very first step is to do your research. Now it's very important to know that what your inspiration is and what your desk should look like. So it could be anything. It could be a YouTube video, like this video could be your inspiration. But for me, it was Pinterest. So you can also follow me on my Pinterest. It's Samriddhi07. It's linked in the description. So check it out. The next step is cleaning out everything. Now this is the hard part, and it's kind of satisfying watching it now, but it's actually hard doing it because my desk is always so like messed up, and I always like keep things over there, and it's just not organized at all. So I just like cleaned everything up, make sure that everything is tidy and empty so that I can work on my desk. So basically you need a blank canvas to work on. So this is my desk. I'll just clean it up with like a duster. So we'll just do that and just use a rag or anything, whatever you have. The next step is to plan. This is very important. Now I know a lot of people will skip this step, but because I'm a planner, I'll just do this. So what I did was I just clicked a picture of my desk and then I drew what I wanted on my desk. So for example, I want a plant there and there, like on the left and the right. So I just put there, and I put the laptop, I marked it. I want a poster, so I marked that. And I like want to cover it up with vinyl. I want to put stationery. I want to put like a frame. So I just put everything on there. It doesn't have to be very precise. Mine wasn't either. I made some changes, but it's just to give a rough idea to you. So that's what you can do. Next one is to renovate. Now my house is old now. It has been more than 10 years since this desk was made. So I had to renovate it. It has like holes on the table, and then it also has like some cracks and stuff. So what I did was I bought this vinyl off of Amazon. Now I'll link this in the description box below. It was very inexpensive. It was like 160 rupees. Now I guess it's 200 rupees, but it's very inexpensive. So everything that I do in this video is on a budget, and it's under 500 rupees. So it's very cheap, but you can even do it for cheaper. I mean, I just bought 2 rolls of this, but you don't have to. You have to buy like just one, and it did the job for me as well. So what I did was like I just put the vinyl, and this was so hard, and you can see so many air bubbles. Yes, I could not do it properly, so I'll probably have to call in a professional later to make it like right. But for now, this is what we are rolling with, and I just like made the edges all neat and tidy, but it still looks like a little bad because I mean, this is harder than it looks, but I think if you're doing it the right way, then it should work out. You can see so many air bubbles. I'll correct it, don't worry. It's been corrected. So just don't worry about that. The next step is to organize. Now I know some people like this, some people don't. So what I did was I just like took like 2 empty glass bottles, and I filled it up with water and put in plants over there. So this is a great way to recycle and reuse the stuff that you have at home. It's very inexpensive, and you're also saving the environment this way. And I took like a glass and put in my brushes that I want to keep, and then I kept my clock there, and I kept like a timer thing. What do you call it? An hourglass. So yeah, I put the hourglass, and then I decided I need to shift the plants. Don't want them there. Just like basically organize, like to like think it off as a puzzle, and you just have to add the pieces to it. So that's what I basically did. It's a blank canvas. Do whatever you want. Then I bought this like box. I did not buy it. I mean, I had this box. So what I did was, it's a transparent box, so I just put in all of my stationery in there, like my washi tapes, and I just organized that really well. Also took my highlighters to make it like a little bit aesthetic looking, and then I also put the eraser, but I just remove it later on because it doesn't look that aesthetic. So basically I put my highlighters and washi tips over here, and some like binders too, because I think it looks cool and it's very organized. So yeah, you can do that if you want to. Now my personal favorite step, decorating. Now this couldn't get any better. The decorating is the best part, and I like waited for this part specifically. So I got these stickers from Stationery Pal. By the way, all the things will be linked in the description box below. They are very inexpensive. Again, everything is under 500 in total, so it's very inexpensive. And I just like did this really cool peeling shot because why not? And then you can just put it on the wall, and these are like paper stickers, so they won't ruin your wall as well. They are easily like removable. Then I also had these plant stickers, which I just like put on the glass. I did it just for fun. You don't have to necessarily do it, but yeah, that's what I did. And I think it looks kind of cute. I don't know, it looks kind of cute. Like you can easily remove it. It's just glass bottle and this like paper stickers, so won't damage anything. And the plants actually like make it look very aesthetic. So I suggest you have like indoor plants in your like on your desk or in your house or wherever you want. It just looks aesthetic. It gives you oxygen, and plants are just the best. So plants and animals both actually. And I also had these stamps, like it's like a card stamp thing, which I also got from Stationery Pal, so you can buy that as well. It will be linked in the description box below. So I just like made kind of a collage with this. I just used tape, the normal cello tape, to like put it on the wall, so that again my wall won't be ruined and it'll look aesthetic like it does here. I think it looks really cool actually. So yep. And then I also like put these up on the wall in this exact way. So this is how my desk looked before I did the makeover. Yeah, very bland, very boring. Yeah, you can see it wasn't just very good. And this is how my desk looks after the makeover.